either my friends or my brother coming over. Option E is either my friends or my brother is coming over. The staff working overtime today. Option C is the staff is working overtime today. The glasses on the shelf expensive. Option C the glasses on the shelf are expensive. Neither she nor her colleagues happy with the decision. Option B neither she nor her colleagues are happy with the decision. The jury divided in their opinions. Option A the jury are divided in their opinions. The team playing well this season. Option A is the team is playing well this season. One of the books missing from the shelf. Option A is one of the books is missing from the shelf. The furniture in their house very expensive. Option A is the furniture in their house is very expensive. The scissors on the table. Option B the scissors are on the table. Tobacco and alcohol injurious to health. Option B tobacco and alcohol are injurious to health. Oil and water not mix. Option A do. Oil and water do not mix. Both parents the school meeting. Option B attend. Both parents attend the school meeting. "50 miles too far to travel by bike." Option A is 50 miles is too far to travel by bike. A pack of wolves spotted near the forest. Option A is a pack of wolves is spotted near the forest. the dog, along with the cats, sleeping under the tree. Option A is, the dog, along with the cats, is sleeping under the tree. A large number of students against the new policy. Option C, A large number of students are against the new policy. The crew of the ship working tirelessly during the storm. Option D was, the crew of the ship was working tirelessly during the storm. A series of unfortunate events led to this disaster. Option B has, a series of unfortunate events has led to this disaster. Here the documents you requested. Option B, here are the documents you requested. Few of the suggestions considered for the final draft. Option D were, few of the suggestions were considered for the final draft.